Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth. We stay at Alwal. Last morning it was scary for all of us. I have my daughter Danya, she's 8. She woke up happily and slipped and fell, and she got her chin injured very badly. It was a panic moment for all of us. The child was crying uncontrollably. We could see the wound was deep, but we didn't know what to do. So we rushed to Hyderabad Apollo as soon as we can. And by the time we reached here, the staff welcomed us warmly, and we have seen Dr. Shridharan, plastic surgeon at Apollo Hyderabad. He explained us everything clearly, and he explained us why the child had to go through surgery, how deep the wound was, and we gained our confidence and we sent our child to surgery. And it was about after 10 to 20 minutes the surgery was done, and when we saw our child, she was at peace and we were all relaxed. And it's been a day almost, and she's recovering well. And the doctor was very calm, patient. He was very dedicated to his work, as well as nurses, and all the services were excellent. And I'm very grateful to Apollo, to Dr. Shridharan, and all the amazing staff. Thank you so much.